And now, everyone, please welcome Mr. Toshihiro Suzuki, Representative Director and President of Suzuki Motor Corporation.
Thank you.
Konnichiwa.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Toshihiro Suzuki, President of Suzuki Motor Corporation. Thank you for coming today to the global unveiling of the VITARA, the production model of the EVX. What did you think? I hope you liked it. The European market, which is at the forefront of automotive technology, has been a very important market for Suzuki and will continue to be. Today, we are very pleased to unveil the VITARA, Suzuki's first global strategic BEV model. This is a very important milestone for us, as one of the efforts to achieve carbon neutrality. Before talking further about the car, I'd like to briefly talk about Suzuki. Suzuki's origins go back to the looming machine that our founder, my great-grandfather, Michio Suzuki, created with a simple desire to make his mother's work easier. Since our establishment as Suzuki Loom Works in 1909, we have kept making progress. Along with the changing time, we have expanded our business to motorcycles, automobiles, and outboard motors. In fiscal year 2023, we achieved revenue of 5.4 trillion yen, with 3.2 million cars and 1.9 million motorcycles sold. And most recently, in the first half of the fiscal year for automobile business, we sold nearly 1.6 million units, which is a 2% year-on-year increase globally. Here in Europe, we sold 118,000 units, which is a 5% year-on-year increase. In our growth strategy for fiscal year 2030, which we announced last year, we have positioned Europe, India, and Japan as key business regions. In Europe and Japan, we aim to create new technologies and products, and will continue to refine them. In India, we aim to meet the expectations of both customers and society by establishing routes that are large, deep, and wide-reaching. Another part of our strategy is to achieve carbon neutrality. in all these regions. We aim to contribute to other regions, such as Africa, Latin America, and Southeast Asia, and grow together with each market. Through such progress, we are targeting sales of 7 trillion yen, roughly 42 billion euro in fiscal year 2030, and achieve sustainable growth. We aim to become an infrastructure company close to people's lives. In line with our mission statement, we will continue to develop products of superior value by focusing on the customer, and will work to deliver solutions that only we can offer. We also announced a technology strategy for the next 10 years recently that centers on minimizing energy consumption. To achieve this strategy, Suzuki's philosophy will play an important role. This is made up of 3 concepts: Genba, Genbutsu, Genjitsu, which means visit the site, make direct observation, and determine the facts. Shosho Keitanbi, which means smaller, fewer, lighter, shorter, beauty. And Yaramaika, which means to challenge. By practicing these 3 concepts, we will raise the company value. Today, I'd like to speak about the concept of Shosho Keitanbi. It means to make everything compact, using fewer resources, light, fast, with more beauty. Achieving carbon neutrality means making greenhouse gas emissions and absorption net zero. We will minimize energy used throughout the car life cycle and cut CO2 emission to the absolute minimum. This is our engineering philosophy. Take K or compact, for example. If you compare the average weight of cars made by all companies in Europe, Japan, and India with Suzuki cars, our cars are 200 kilograms lighter. By saving 200 kilograms, it requires 6% less energy to drive, 20% less energy to produce, and of course, requires fewer resources. The engineering philosophy applies to all Suzuki products. Team Suzuki CN Challenge participated in the Suzuka 8 hours endurance road race using the GSX-R 1000R with carbon neutral fuel. For marine business, we are taking environmentally conscious technologies such as microplastic collecting devices. Suzuki is pursuing to achieve carbon neutral society by minimizing use of energy. We will invest not only in battery EVs, but also in hybrids and ICEs that run on fuels, such as CNG, biofuel, and ethanol, and will provide the right solutions in the right place. Now, please let me briefly talk about the VITARA. This is a mass production model of the EVX. We exhibited in 2023 at the India Auto Expo and Japan Mobility Show. This model is an SUV, perfectly suited for both daily driving and weekend trips. With a high-tech adventure design concept, it fuses advanced EV technology with SUV power. It uses the new Hartech E platform exclusively developed for EVs. For 4W models, it uses the new All-Grip E, which leverages 4x4 technology that traces its roots back to the Jimny in 1970. Production will begin in spring 2025 in India at Suzuki Motor Gujarat plant. Mr. Hashimoto, our managing officer, BB Solutions, will now explain in more detail.
あとは任せます。はい。
Hello, everyone. I'm Takahiko Hashimoto, Managing Officer, Battery EV Solutions. I'm glad to be here with you today. As President Mr. Suzuki said earlier, Suzuki plans to achieve carbon neutrality by minimizing use of energy. Within this, we believe EVs offer customers an attractive solution due to the rapidly improving functionality and convenience through progress in battery technology and infrastructure. The VITARA was developed by the Suzuki team under the product concept of emotional, versatile cruiser, and is our first global strategic EV model. Features include a design that combines the advanced look of an EV with the strength of an SUV. The e-axle, which is an integrated mechatronic drive unit with advanced system efficiency. All-Grip E, four-wheel drive with e-axle in both the front and rear. And the Hartech E platform, which achieves a comfortable cabin layout and a strong road presence, thanks to the short front overhang. As both a SUV and an EV, we believe it will provide value to customers unmatched by other EVs. Before explaining the detail of the model, let me give you a history of Suzuki 4x4 and SUVs. Over 50 years ago, we launched the Jimny, a super compact off-roader which complied with Japanese minicar standards. This was the start of Suzuki's four-wheel drive development and a new page in the history of four-wheel drive model in the world. In the 1980s, we launched the VITARA, which inherited Suzuki four-wheel drive DNA and the model that created the urban compact SUV market. In the 2000s, we launched the SX4, ahead of the crossover boom, followed by the Ignis in 2016 with a unique ultra-compact SUV concept. We have developed our SUVs with the aim of bringing excitement and fun to our customer lives. And today, the e-VITARA carries on this tradition of Suzuki's latest SUV, which is also our first battery EV. Now let's look at its features. The design concept is high-tech and adventure. High-tech represents the sophistication of an EV, and adventure represents the robustness of an SUV. In contrast to the futurist design trend common to the most EVs, the e-VITARA combines Suzuki's characteristics and traditional SUV style. This is distinct from competitors. The BEV system is composed of an e-axle, which is a compact integrated mechatronic drive unit with superior system efficiency, and an iron phosphate battery pack developed with advanced safety and reliability in mind. The e-axle provides crisp BEV-like acceleration from a standstill and sharp acceleration during overtaking. The e-axle has three selectable drive: normal, eco, and sport. Eco mode extends the driving range by reducing air conditioning output and pedal response. The sports mode offers the enhanced acceleration response and allows the driver to enjoy powerful driving. In addition, the easy operation pedal enhances drivers to control speed with the acceleration one pedal, reducing driver burden and providing a sporty driving experience. The new all-grip E four-wheel drive system is the newest addition to Suzuki all-grip series, which currently consists of the all-grip Auto, all-grip Select, and all-grip Pro. The four-wheel drive system uses two motors to responsively and precisely control torque distribution. All-grip E is an electric four-wheel drive system consisting of two independent e-axles, utilizing the responsiveness of the motors, power distribution, between the front and rear wheels is precisely controlled to maximize the grip and stability on all kinds of road surfaces. The efficient distribution of grip between the front and rear wheels assists with acceleration and achieves performance characteristics not possible with ICE cars. Two modes are available, auto and trail. In auto mode, power distribution is optimally controlled according to road conditions, providing advanced stability and drivability on rough roads. In trail mode, on uneven surfaces where one wheel loses contact with the ground, it enhances the limited slip differential, applying the brake to spinning wheel and distributing torque to the opposite wheel for smooth exit. The VITARA uses high-tech e-platform developed exclusively for EVs. Its key features are lightweight structure, over-voltage protection, and spacious cabin. We have nearly doubled the use of high tensile materials in comparison to the original high-tech platform to ensure strength while minimizing weight. The underfloor members was aligning to position the high voltage battery packs under the floor. Impact energy absorbing side mount and protective frame are used to protect the battery packs. As you can see, we developed the model to the optimal of an EV using various creative ideas. In addition to the high-tech and adventure design, the E-axle newly developed for EVs, All-Grip E and High-Tech E. The E-VITARA incorporates a wide range of functionalities and equipment new to Suzuki, as well as various weight reductions, sound insulation technologies, and more. It is an SUV EV which is close to our customers' lives and brings enjoyable driving that cannot be experienced in other EVs. We are looking forward to bringing this model to the market. This is all about my presentation. Now let me hand over to Mr. Sato. He will be explaining about the design in detail. Thank you very much.
Greetings to everyone. I'm a design manager of automobile styling design division. Today, I'm pleased to be here to introduce the new e-VITARA. To begin, I would like to explain from the exterior design. These are sketches from our initial stage. Our aim was to explore many different directions to catch the right character of the e-VITARA. Amongst many sketches, these two proposals were developed for the scale models. Each proposal defined strong theme, fresh aesthetics, toughness of an SUV, and also with a hint of a Suzuki SUV heritage. It was important for us to find the language that ignites the excitement. We utilized 3D virtual model, full-size models in order to evaluate the design. And as a conclusion, we selected the proposal B had the most promising design. During the model development, we paid strong attention to maintain its characteristics in collaboration with the modelers. These images are from wind tunnels. We carefully adjusted the design in millimeters to maximize the efficiency of the aerodynamics. Coming back to the key sketch, again, our goal was to find an aggressive design as wild animal, but leaping out from digital dimension. And here I present you the front design of the production model. Clean, bold, and futuristic. Highly detailed lamps and precision. That is straightforward design that truly Suzuki can only offer. From side, you can feel the large tires at the corners. Upright windshield, unique coupe-like silhouette, optimized for high aerodynamic performance. The rear conveys modern aesthetics with high position lamps, strong bumpers emphasizing its power and its presence. Seen from above, sculpted design is clearly visible, very distinctive and provocative in its class. And the black roof adds tightness and also lightness to the vehicle. We believe that we have achieved a powerful yet unique SUV EV very much true to Suzuki. The headlamp and rear lamp offers a new expression of our brand, instantly distinguishable from a distance. We named it the three-point matrix. Alloy wheel comes in 18 and 19 inch, optimized for aerodynamics and reduction in weight, complementing the design of the vehicle. Now let's take a look at the color design. We have developed a new color exclusively for VITARA. We named it the Land Breeze Green. They combine sophistication, toughness that pops out in any road conditions. This is the color lineup for the Europe market. 7 different colors that are available in both monotone or in combination with black roof. Now for the interior design. Here are 4 sketches from the initial phase that were optimistic, ejecting the high-tech and adventure design theme. Proposal A and D was selected to realize into 3D virtual models and evaluated through using VR technology. And in the final presentation, we made full models evaluating not only the styling, but functionality and its ergonomics. And we concluded as Model D as a final interior design proposal. This is the final design of the interior design. The instrumental panel conveys toughness, strength, prominent middle pad with 4 vertical air vents, provoking futuristic, tough aesthetics. To add more modernness, we developed single display panel, a floating roof, floating console, indirect illumination, and a new steering wheel. Meter cluster and other functions are seamlessly integrated, enhancing visual and practicality. The graphic user interface is intuitive, providing rich and experience and dynamic movements. The floating center console features shift-by-wire system. The door panel illumination features indirect soft glow that allows you to choose from 12 different colors. The steering wheel is specially designed for the VITARA, enhancing visibility and usability. Front seats are deeply sculpted, optimized for dynamic and active lifestyle, while the rear seat offers comfort and practicality. The material comes in combination of perforated synthetic leather and highly breathable melange. Overall, interior color is well coordinated in warm brown tones, accentuating decorative elements, ambient lighting, display systems to pop really out. And lastly, the black interior will be available exclusively for the European market. To conclude, Suzuki VITARA combines the sophistication of an EV together with robustness of an SUV. Very distinctive, very strong in its presence. The VITARA, e-VITARA, is designed to drive silent and silky on road, appearing rough on terrains. A full-fledged true SUV EV that Suzuki can only offer. That will conclude my presentation of the design of the e-VITARA. I thank you so much for listening. Thank you very much.